Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of MicroCap Daily. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. Today we're going to be discussing PHIL, dpls, bmxi, sirc, tomdf, and gegi. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. MicroCap Daily and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at microcapdaily.com/SEC-disclosure. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. It's been an incredible summer here at microcapdaily.com. We've been hitting a number of big runners. Guys, you don't need a lot of plays to make big bank here on the OTC markets. You need to be selective, you need to pick your plays, and you need to focus on quality. First up is PHIL. We've been pounding the table on this one all summer. Since June, it bottomed out here at trip zeros, 0.005. We knew something was going to happen. It was only a matter of time before they dropped the big PR, and they did on Friday. They announced that the company has signed an agreement to acquire 51% of Tin Than Group. This is a Vietnamese company in Vietnam. According to the agreement, PHI Group will purchase 22 million shares of ordinary stock from the majority shareholder, which is equivalent to 51%, for a total of $60 million. Closing is expected to close in October. And the company said that they secured a US $3 billion equity investment from a Gulf Cooperation Council group. Now, guys, we're not going to get into, is it real? Is it not? What? We don't care. We just knew that something was going to happen here in PHIL. Closed up 216%. Congratulations to our subscribers that banked on PHIL. Next up is dpls. This is one of our favorites here at microcapdaily.com. We've been pounding the table on this one all summer long, and it's finally getting the move that we've been looking for. As you see here, it bottomed at 2 cents, and now we're getting this rounding bottom here, and we are making the climb up. We're going to run into some resistance just under 5 cents, which is the 200-day moving average. We get above there, and we're really going to get moving. Notice if you look last September, this one was at just under 15 cents. We're here at 3 cents. We see no reason why the stock cannot go back to new 52-week highs. There is a lot to like with dpls. They put out earlier this month a major shareholder letter, and there's just tons of accomplishments. Outlook is bright. They're planning on uplisting. The CEO, he is a rock star CEO, Dennis M. O'Leary. He's all over Twitter updating his shareholders. I mean, this is a guy that lives for dpls. And overall, this is definitely one that you need to get on your radar screen. This one we see as having a lot more upside in dpls. Next up, guys, is bmxi. This is the biggest runner this summer for microcapdaily.com subscribers. We talked about this one back in July when it had just a $1 million market cap. You can go and read what we had to say. Currently trading a $1 million market cap valuation. BMXi was trading at a $15 million market valuation 2 years ago with a fraction of today's revenues. You look at OTCmarkets.com, we are now at a $13.8 million market cap. So this is 13x, almost 14x for microcapdaily.com subscribers. We think it's gotten here a little bit overbought, but they are buying the dips. If you look at this chart, it keeps making higher lows. guys, all I could say is I'm not a financial advisor, but I'd be using a trailing stop. If you missed the move in BMXi, I would wait for a pullback before loading up again on BMXi. But congrats to MicroCapDaily.com subscribers. Again, a 13x return. If you are not catching these types of returns, I mean, click that link in the description. Sign up at MicroCapDaily.com. Any of the sign up boxes, it works for all emails. You sign up, then we also can send out SMS alerts via mobile. There it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. What else we got here? Next up is SIRC. Just been a tremendous runner here. We've been pounding the table on this one as well. We talked about this one when it had just an $89 million market cap. Today we are at a $243 million market cap. So again, this is a 3x in this summer when people are complaining that there are a shortage of big runners. Again, it's all about being selective. There are still plenty of opportunities here on the OTC markets. You just got to get in early, get in before the crowd, and be a little patient. Speaking of big plays, we have an under the radar play that we're going to be sending out a complete report to our subscribers. Make sure you sign up at microcapdaily.com. Again, as I said, it is a 100% free service. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever here at microcapdaily.com. Next up, guys, is TOMDF, Todos Medical. This is a monkeypox play. We have an article this month. We did a deep dive on Todos Medical. If you look at the chart here, I mean, this one here is just gearing up for a major move. And monkeypox, it is spreading. This is the new STD. It is spreading rampant among particularly bisexual community, gays, lesbians, men, women. It's spreading rapidly, and we see no signs of it slowing down. These plays are going to be hot, and TOMDF is one of the best plays on the OTC markets to capitalize on the monkeypox outbreak. Lastly, guys, is GEGI. We've been talking about this one since it just had a $6.5 million market cap. We are now at a $13 million market cap. We're still in the double zeros. Look for this one to go over a penny this week, and it's blue skies from there. This one's getting ready to make major announcements. We got major acquisitions coming in the autonomous vehicle space, the EV space, great quality management, a lot of chatter on social media, on FinTwit. There's a lot of smart money behind GEGI. If you're not already in, start putting it on your radar screen. We're not financial advisors, but this is one name you want to be buying the dips. Long term here, there's a lot of potential in GEGI. This is a low float that has a lot of potential. If you look at PHIL, I mean, this one ran on Friday up 216% with 32 billion shares outstanding. This GEGI is just a fraction of that with just an $8.9 million market cap. So again, there is a lot to like with GEGI. Get this one on your radar screen if it already isn't. But guys, we have an under the radar play sending out to our subscribers this week. If you are not signed up, make sure you go to microcapdaily.com, sign up on any of the article pages. That's that sign up box at the bottom. Sign up with your email, and again, it is 100% free. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that being said, guys, tons of opportunities. Just got to be selective. Pick your spots, pick your entries. It's all about getting in early, riding that wave, and then booking profits along the way. Don't fall into the diamond hands, paper hands BS. Your motto should be always be booking profits. All right, guys, wish everyone a wonderful week. Let's make this money, and I'll be coming live to you soon with a new video. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.